Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I share the unboxing of my new phone. So let's get started. I have brought it from Flipkart. I will give you the link in the description. This is Redmi 8A dual phone. Your phone pack should be sealed. In case it's not, you can return it. Ta-da! This is my new phone. The color of the phone is sea blue. It holds 2 micro SIM. With this you get its charger and a pin to insert SIM card. This is the charging point and this one is for earphone. It has 13 plus 2 megapixel of rear camera and 8 megapixel of selfie camera. Right now, I am inserting the SIM with the help of the pin given. If you have any question, please tell me in the comment section below. Now, as you can see, we have switched on our phone. I had the backup, so all my apps are already downloaded. If I had to give a rating out of 5, I would give it 4, as it has a good camera quality but doesn't have the finger unlock. This is my phone bill and I brought it from the exchange offer. The price of this phone is 6,498, but because I exchanged my Redmi 4 phone, I got this new phone in rupees 4,398. If you found this video useful, remember like, share and comment, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel.